Guys, welcome back to Algo Trading. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic for a algo trader, which is return. When we talk about return, it is the most important thing because it is one of the most critical performance matrix indicator. All right. So fine. So we are going to cover in this video daily return, which is generally we talk daily percentage change. We are going to cover log return. We are going to cover cumulative daily return. We are going to cover cumulative return with compound factor. Okay, so this is only 10 to 12 line of coding, not big deal, but the concept has to be clear. So I got a lot of comment and requests to create a video on that, so that's why I'm going to create these videos. Please try to understand the concept, and it is really important as a algo trader we should understand what is exactly a return means, because if you are going to develop any strategy, any algorithm, strategies, that the first thing is someone is going to ask you what is your return. So then when you're talking about return, so we should very fundamentally clear that what exactly we are trying to say when we are saying return. All right, let's open a new Jupyter notebook and let's get started. Here is my Jupyter notebook that I have created. You can create a new Jupyter notebook. Okay, and first thing is your daily return. All right, so what is your daily return? When we're talking about daily return, we assuming that you are buying a stock today and you are selling it tomorrow, or in other way, you bought a stock yesterday and you are selling it today. All right, so it means that if you are buying something yesterday and you are selling it today, it means today's price minus yesterday's price is your profit, because you bought it yesterday and you are selling it today, right? If something you bought it yesterday at rupees 5 or at $5 and you are selling it today at $10, it means that you have a profit of $5, right? So this is your basic fundamentals of your daily return. So exactly same for stock price. So every day you have a stock price, right? So when you are assuming a fact that every day you are buying and selling, every day you are buying and next day you are selling. So if I want to calculate what is my daily return for today, or what is my today's return, it means that I assume I bought the stock yesterday and I'm selling it today. So today's price minus yesterday's price divided by yesterday's price will give you your daily return or percentage return, right? So that's why your daily return is today's price minus yesterday's price divided by yesterday's price. This is a basic fundamental of mathematics, right? So that's what I have just put it here, just to make you easy, just to make you understand. So today's stock price minus yesterday's stock price divided by yesterday's price will be your daily return. So this equation, if you go further, what you need to do, you are saying today's price divided by yesterday's price minus 1. This is nothing but the same, right? Today's price minus yesterday's price by yesterday's price. So if you multiply here, you're getting today's price minus yesterday's price divided by yesterday's price, which is today's price by yesterday's price minus 1, right? So I put it here. So now the question is how we are going to do it in Python, right? All right, for that we have to import 3 libraries here. Sorry, this matplotlib actually we don't need, because I have not put any plot here, so no need to do matplotlib. So there are 2 libraries. One is numpy, so we have import numpy as np, and impose pandas spd. Okay, run this code. So then what I did, I import a file which is Reliance from National Stock Exchange stock price, daily OHLC data from National Stock Exchange. I saved it in my personal drive, E drive, and then I imported here. So you guys can use this particular spreadsheet. I'm going to attach that spreadsheet in my GitHub account. You can download from there, or you can use your own spreadsheet and you can save your own personal computer, and then you can import from here. So when I'm saying data, is this is my data frame. So data, I'm creating a data frame named as data, which is pd.read csv, because this is a csv file. And then you put your path here. My path is E drive, so you can put your own path here, and then you put the name of the file. So reliance.ns.csv is the name of the csv file which I saved my E drive. For you guys, it might be a different name, so you have to change your name. So once you change this, once this put this directory, then you run this piece of code, so then this file will import here. I have intentionally deleted all the output of this Jupyter notebook. However, we can create here just to show you guys, just to make you understand. So we have imported this file just to show you. Let's do one thing. Let's see the data frame that we have created here. So data dot head. So let's see the data frame. This is the data frame we are talking about. This is the open, high, low, close, adjusted, close volume for Reliance stock, from 1st of January 2018. So this is the first 5 row we are talking about. If you want to see the data, it is still here you go. It is from 31st January 2018. So it is 1 year data. So 1st of January 2018 to 31st of January 2018, sorry, 1 month of data. So only for January data. Okay, fine. So this is how our data frame is. So no worries about, you can upload or you can import your own data frame. It should not be a problem, but the main intention just to calculate and show you daily return and log and other returns are okay. Now come to the questions of calculating daily return. How are we going to do that? So in our formula here, what we are doing, trying to say, we are saying today's price divided by yesterday's price minus 1, right? So in Python, so exactly we are doing today's closing price, because let's say here what we are doing, we are creating another column, and the column name is daily return, okay, in this data frame. So beside volume there will be another column here. The name of this column will be daily return, and what we're trying to say is here we're saying today's closing price, okay, data close means today's closing price, divided by yesterday's closing price. So how to calculate yesterday's closing price? So dot shift 1. So this dot shift 1 will calculate yesterday's closing price. So today's closing price, which is data close, is today's closing price divided by yesterday's closing price, which is today's closing price dot shift 1. It will calculate one day behind yesterday's closing price. So today's closing price, which is data close, divided by yesterday's closing price, which is data close dot shift 1. So minus 1, because this is our formula, right? Today's price divided by yesterday's price minus 1. So this is today's price divided by yesterday's price minus 1. So if you run this code, now you will get this daily return. Now see how we have already run this piece of code. Now let's see how our data set is looking like. Okay, let's create a, so data dot head, data dot head. So now you can see, here you go, you can see daily return column, and this is 0.001539. How this got calculated? It's very simple. It's did 911.150024 divided by 909.7500 minus 1. If you do it, you will get it 0.001539. So this is how it got calculated every day. Okay, now let's talk about on day 5th. Starting indexing start from 0. So day 5th is the closing price was 923, and on day 4th the closing price was 920. So it means that if someone bought a stock at 920 spot 299 and sell at 923, so what is the percentage profit or loss he was getting, or daily return? So what is doing, 923 spot 25 divided by 920 spot 299 minus 1, this is 0.003205. Right? So this is how you will calculate daily return, assuming that every day you are buying the stock and the next day you are selling it. Okay. All right. Now in Python pandas there is another way to do it. In fact, it's the simplest way to do it. You just put .pct change 1. This .pct change 1 will calculate the exactly same. What it means is the percentage change. So what we are doing here, we are doing the exactly percentage, we are calculating the percentage change, right? So this is what .pct change 1. So what you have to do, we are calculating daily return PCT. So we are calculating exactly same daily return, but I just wanted to show you is the value is coming exactly same or different. That's why I just created another column, and the new column name is daily return PCT, and we are calculating with closing price. So data close dot PCT change 1. Let's run this code, and now let's see the daily return PCT column, how it looks like. So data dot head, and here you go. So now you can see daily return column and daily return PCT column, and see the value is exactly same. So it means that you can calculate in either way. You can calculate like this, data close divided by data close dot shift 1 minus 1, or you can just simply put dot PCT change 1. Either way around is fine, because it's the easiest way in pandas data frame to calculate it. Okay, now let's move to log return. So what is log return? Why people are sometimes not using this daily return or percentage change but using log return? Okay, I'm not going into details, but remember log returns are time additive, and most technical analysis require normalizing the time series, and the log return is a nice way to do it. Okay, most of the case when people are using autocorrelation, they use log return to predict the future stock price. Okay, but how to calculate this log return in Python, that's I'm going to tell you. So what you need to do, you just simply put np.log. Okay, so let's say I'm calculating on my closing price, right? So what you need to do, np.log today's closing price divided by yesterday's closing price. That will give you today's log return. Let's say here, let's say we are talking about this example, right? Here if you want to calculate on the log return here, right, what will happen, it will calculate np.log 911.150 divided by 909.75, right? So essentially what we are talking about, we are saying np.log today's price 911 divided by closing price dot shift 1, which is 909, right? This is what the formula is. So np.log, this is today's closing price and this is yesterday's closing price, okay, which is dot shift 1. Let's run this code and let's see how our log return column is looking like, which I have created a column called daily return log, right? So data dot head, and from this you can see here your log return. Okay, now you can see there is a slight difference between my daily return and my log return. 0.01539, 0.01538. It's a very slight change, right? 0.004, 0.00399 is approximately 4, right? 0.006, 0.00599, which is approximately 6. So there is a slight difference between your daily return or percentage change and log return. However, when you are going to use autocorrelation and other predictive model, then you have to use log return instead of daily percentage change. Okay. All right. Cool. Now coming to cumulative daily return. This is most important for us because this is what where we tell people, or we report that this is the return that we are getting in our project or in our strategies. This is most important now, because when we are talking about return, it means the cumulative return, right? So the what is the total return that you are getting out of, if you are investing a stock, or if you are investing any stock. So you cannot say that daily I'm getting this much return, right? You have to tell this is the what total return I'm getting out of it. Okay, so this is most important. So it is the entire of money an investment has entered of an earned of an investment investor, right? So let's say today you are investing into a stock. After 2 years or 3 years, or sorry, or 3 years, what is the total return that you are getting? That the entire amount of money that you are getting, that is your cumulative return. Now if someone is asked what is your annual return, then that's simply divide, I mean, that is your yearly return. So that is the simple the simple difference between your cumulative return and your annualized return. Okay, now we are going to calculate how to calculate your cumulative daily return. Okay, so every day how you are going to calculate that? Actually it's very simple. np.numpy.comsum, this will give you your cumulative return on a daily basis. Okay, so let's do it and see what is our value here. So we have created a new column which is cumulative return, and you put this formula here as np.comsum data daily return. So what you need to do, let's see how our data looks like now. So dot head and run this. Oh, sorry, my bad. Data. Okay, here we can see the cumulative return column, and this is your cumulative return. What we're trying to say is here, try to understand what we're doing here. We are just simply adding one by one return every day. So the first day is 0.539, which is this. Next day is 0.539 plus 0.04006, which is 0.0554559. Next day 0.05545 plus 0.06012, which is 0.011557. Next day 0.1157557 plus 0.003205, which is 0.01763. So it means that at the end of fourth day, or if you start from 1 here into fifth day, the total return you are getting 0.14763. So essentially what it means, if you add all these, you will get the exact value 0.014763. So on the first day we are not getting anything because there is no return here. On the second day you are getting this, third day this one, fourth day this one, and fifth day this one. If you add all this, that is your total return you got on this particular stock. If you bought on this day and you every day you are buying and selling, on the last day the total return you are getting, if you add this, 0.014763. right? So this is what the total return or the cumulative return we are talking about. Okay, now here we are missing something. We are missing our compound factor. What is compound factor? So we are talking about if we invest $1 today, tomorrow I'm getting 1.001539. Okay, next day my daily return is 00406, but my value is 1.001539. It means that the next day it should not be 005545, it should be 0.004006 on 1.001539. My value is adding every day. So when we are talking about any calculation, let's say here, right, this day the return is 0.006012. So this percentage should be calculated on the total values, which is on the previous day. So there we are, in this calculation we are missing that factor. So here in data frame, or in pandas, pandas data frame, here there is a way to calculate that. What you want to do, 1 plus daily return plus compare. So if you put this piece of code, it will calculate the everyday cumulative return with a compound factor. Let's run this and see. So data dot head, here you go, see this one, 1.001539. the next day it 0.004006 has been calculated on this amount. Now here this 0.006012 has been calculated on this amount, 1.00551. And let's say last day this amount 0.003205 has been calculated on this amount, 1.011593. So it means that every day is just get added, the value get added, and that is called compounding factor. Okay, and here if you ask me what is the cumulative daily return with a compounding factor, is your simple, if you minus one, because $1 you have $1 you have invested, so that is 0.014839, not 0.014763. You know what I mean? So this is the difference. Okay, if you simply add all the returns and get a value, and if you compounding this return, there will be difference. Okay, this is what your real cumulative return here, because the cumulative return formula is very simple. What is my current price, what is my original price? So current price minus original price, current price divided by original price minus 1 will be give you the cumulative return. Here let's take an example, right? In this example, the last price or the current price is 923.25 and the original price was 909.75. So what is the cumulative return? This 923.25 divided by 909.75 minus 1, which is 0.14839. okay, which is nothing but your this one, right? 0.14839. So this is how you will calculate cumulative return with a compounding factor. Alright guys, this is a very basic concept. So I think this is useful for all the algo traders who are starting their career, and you should understand what are the difference between all these simple terms, and what is cumulative return, what is cumulative return with compound factor, what is a log return, and what is a daily percentage change or daily return. Okay, because this confuse a lot when you start with algo trading. Okay, so I think this video is a little bit clear. You guys, if you have any questions regarding this, please feel free to put on my comment on this video. I will definitely get back to you, and I will try to I will try my best to clear your doubts. But this is very basic and very conceptual things. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to create a lot more videos with very basic concept. definitely these videos might be, looking easy, or these concepts might be looking easy. Trust me, these are really important for you to understand, and you have to be very patient to clear what exactly, what exactly it is and how you can going to implement this. Okay, I'm going to create a lot more videos in machine learning, artificial intelligence, creating your own algo trading strategies and all these kind of things. But this videos is one of the important, because this is a very conceptual things that you have to understand first. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video, and next time we'll see with a different kind of videos and different concept things. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thanks.